So sometimes multi-step equations can get pretty tricky. Now look at this one. This has got a lot of things going on. The main difference between this and the last one, I've got a variable on the left side, I got a variable on the right side, I got variables everywhere. So let's just start taking care of things. Is there anything I can simplify that hopefully will make my life easier? Take a look at the left side. I got 5 times 2 minus x. The first thing I'm going to want to do is just distribute, just to get rid of parentheses anywhere I can. And so that's going to become 10 minus 5x. Now I look at the left side. I've got some things I can combine there, and this is something that kind of gets people sometimes. They see this 4x and they see this 6x and they say, oh, that's 10x because 4 plus 6 is 10, right? But just make sure you're aware that's a negative 6x, right? You're subtracting that one. So that sign in front matters. So that's 4 minus 6x. Together that's going to become a negative 2x. Now my plus 7, he's got no numbers over there to combine with, right? So he just drops down. Okay, now I've got to deal with the fact that I've got variables on both sides. At this point, I need to get rid of the variable on one side, and the way I'm going to have to do that is by eliminating on one side. Now there's lots of different ways to do this, so once again, if you can think of a different way of doing it than the way I'm going to show you, that doesn't mean that you're wrong. It just means I'm doing it a different way. Let's just make sure we get the same answer. So take a look here. I got negative 5x minus 2x. Well, I'm just going to eliminate, sure, I'll eliminate the 5x. So it's a negative 5x, so the opposite of like subtracting 5x is adding 5x. And watch what happens here. Now this part right here is going to be gone, right? Minus 5x plus 5x, that's going to cancel each other out. So I'm going to have 10 equals negative 2x plus 5x, that's 3x plus 7. Now I'm back to that nice spot where it's one-step equations. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides, and I'm going to get 3 equals 3x, because I always take care of that addition subtraction first, and divide both sides by 3, and I'm going to get x equals 1. All the way back here, I could have added 2x to both sides, and I would have got the exact same answer. As always, when you're solving equations, if you plug it back in, you should get the right answer. It's a great way to check your work.